We will be solving a problem on isometric view. So to turn on the isometric mode, we will click here iso snap, turn on the iso snap and turn on ortho mode. Now we'll have a look at the question. So we are going to solve this question where this view is the front view and this view, since we are looking at first angle projection method, since the view is on right side, this will be left hand side view. Now since we have left hand side view will be on left plane and front view will be on right plane. Also we can observe on the given front view, origin is given on the left side. Since the origin is given on the left side and dimension is towards right, so obviously the front view will be on the right plane. Now we will find out the maximum length, width and height of the given object. So we will calculate that. Length into width into height equal to, we can see 80 is the maximum length which we can see in the front view, so 80 into width we can see in the side view it is 54 into height we can see in front view or in side view, so the height has been given as 90 millimeters, so into 90. Now since the front view is on right plane, when we draw the box, right side horizontal length will be 80 millimeters. So let's draw the box, select projection layer, click line, this length is 80, height, press F5 to change the plane, height is 90, then length is again 80, 90, F5 to change the plane, width is 54, height is 90, 54, spacebar to escape, again spacebar to activate the previous command, that is line command, F5 to change the plane, length is 80 and width is 54, escape. Now since the box is going outside the border, we'll move this, turn off the ortho mode, turn off isometric snap, select the object, M enter and move it inside the border. Now we will study the given object. So in order to study this object, we need to draw the projections and see and understand the object. So we are already there in the projection layer. So ortho mode should be on. We will take the projections. This is the projection of top plane. Okay, now if you see the given object in front view, that is right plane, the object is inclined. Okay, so the object is inclined, and in the side view it looks like a Z. So basically this Z will be there on this inclined plane. So left plane we will have Z, and that will be on an inclined plane. The next thing which we can observe is, in the front view we have a circle, and in the side view the center part hidden lines are shown. So here we have a circular hole which is throughout. Then next, for this Z part, here you can see a line. Here you can see a line, and if you see the side view, from the front side it is on the line is going on the back side. Okay, whereas if you see the top part, in the front view we have hidden lines because the Z part in the side view goes on back side. Okay, this is how we analyze the given object. Now let us start the drawing in isometric mode. So turn on isometric snap and ortho mode, L enter. So if we see the front view, we will see this line of 80 millimeter. Now this line, if we take the projection over here, it is on the front side only, meaning on the front plane. So I'll draw this line over here. Now in the side view, the height which is shown is 20 millimeter, but in the front view that line is inclined. So basically what we will do, we'll find the center of the top plane, and we know this distance. The total distance is 40, so half will be 20. So let us find that. So we'll go to the projection layer, L enter. From the center, which is triangle, right side it is 20, enter, spacebar, again spacebar. From end point, this distance will also be 20, enter. Now we will join that point and this point. Again we will join the end point of this 40 line with this bottom point. Escape. Now if you see the given diagram, the height is 20 millimeters. So L enter. From this point, change the plane, F5. Height is 20 millimeter, and then move towards right. Escape. Now we will complete this part, bottom part. So we'll select outline, L enter, join this. Now next, if you observe, the total width is 54, this much is 36. So 36, 54 minus 36 will be 18. So basically this part is 18, this part is 18, and last part is also 18. So from here we will have a step. Okay, so we have to move in backward direction. How we can understand that? See, in the front view we have a line over here. So whenever we have a line, we can understand that there is change of plane. So from front plane it is moving towards back. So basically this is horizontal plane, and then we have a vertical plane. So L enter. From this point press F5, and backside the length is 18, so 18, enter. Again from this point 18, enter, and join this. Now next, you can observe this point, it is backside of the front plane by 18 millimeters. Okay, where we have to draw this part. So I'll go to the projection line again, L enter. From this point I'll draw a line, and from this point also I'll draw a line. TR double enter, trim the remaining part. Now back side we have to move 18 millimeters. So L enter. From this point I'll move 18 millimeters. So 18 enter, and from here now we will move towards right. Now since we can see this length of 40 millimeter in front view, so we have to draw this line using outline. In the side view it will be this edge. Okay, this point will create an edge. So select outline, escape, select outline, click line, search endpoint, and from here this distance will be 40. Now on the back side it has been given the width is 36, so we'll move in this direction 36. Again this edge is 40 millimeters, so 40 enter, and then again this one we will join over here. Now next we will join this point with the bottom point, so L enter will join this point and bottom point. Next, now here you can observe, as we have drawn a line over here, in same exact way line will be there on back side. So CO enter, we will copy this line over here as well. Now vertically we have to move down in the side view by a distance of 20 millimeter. So I'll go to projection layer, L enter, I'll move down, so change the plane F5 by a distance of 20 millimeter, 20 enter. It will intersect this inclined line over here. So we'll go back to the outline, L enter, and join this. Now next this line is again 18 millimeter, so L enter, from here press F5, this will be 18, enter. Now if you observe, from this point we have to join till the end, that is this point to the bottom point. Now since the plane is inclined over here, we need to copy this line, so CO enter, select this line, enter, copy it from this point and place it over here, escape. Now complete this Z, join the bottom part, so L enter, join this part. Next we will join upper point, means this point, with this point, so L enter, so now if we see from the front view we will get this part. Okay, in side view we can see this Z, in front view this line is visible. Okay, both the lines are visible, it is shown by this line. And from the front view if you observe this edge, since it is on the back side it will not be visible, and here we can see the hidden line has been shown. Now the next remaining part is the circle which is there over here. Now this circle which is drawn over here, it is center to center, so the center of 40 will be 20 and the center of this line. So basically I'll draw a projection line, so change the layer, join midpoint of this line with the midpoint of bottom line, escape. Now the circle is at a height of vertical height of 45 millimeter, not the inclined height. So we need to move in vertical direction. Now the hole is there on the back side. Okay, it is not on the front part of the front plane, it is back side 18 millimeters. So L enter. From this point we have to go in this direction, left. So I'll change the iso plane, press F5. So we have activated the left plane, so 18, enter. Now the height is 45 millimeters, so 45, enter. And now we will move towards right, so change the plane, F5. Now at this intersection we will draw the circle. Okay, so to draw the circle again, we'll change the layer to outline, type EL, enter, click iso circle, specify the center. Now the circle is on right plane, so press F5 to change the plane. The radius of the circle is 15 millimeter, diameter is 30, so 15, enter. Now we see that in the given front view a circle is there, and in the side view we have a slot. So we need to check whether this circle, when we move it by a distance of 18 millimeter, whether the another circle, some part is there in this circle which will be indicating a hole. So basically copy this, so select this, CO, enter. This will be the center point, and we need to move towards the back side. So I'll change the plane, press F5. Now we can move on the back side, that is left plane. Now this distance will be 18 millimeters, so 18, enter, escape. Now here you can see this much portion is there inside the slot, so this will be visible. Rest of the part we have to trim, so TR, double enter, trim this part, escape, and delete the remaining part. So with this we have completed the problem.